Hello students, welcome to Excel class number 4. Here we will understand the max and min function. So max function in Excel returns the maximum values from a set of values, and min function is opposite of the max function where we get the lowest number in a defined range. Like we have sales of product LED and mouse in January to June. So we need to calculate the maximum sales and minimum sales. For that we will use max function equal to, formula is started, max is a function fx bracket start, and we will select the data from C8 to H8 bracket close, control enter. We get the maximum sales of LED, that is 55, and if we copy this formula from top to bottom by using autofill handle, we get the maximum sales of mouse as well. The cell addresses used here are relative cell reference, that is column reference letter C, and row reference number 8 is unlocked. We will change the sales of LED. Let's change it to 60 in the month of June and see whether this result is also changed to 60 or not. So result of LED is changed to 60, and if we change the value of mouse in the month of April, let's keep it 70, and the result is changed accordingly. And now we will understand the min function. So same equal to min function, this is opposite of max function. So input C14 to H14 where we have the data, control enter, and drag it from top to bottom so that we get the minimum sales of LED and a mouse. Let's change the sales of LED to 15 in the month of June, so the result is changed accordingly. And for the mouse, if we change the sale of Jan to 12, we get the result accordingly. So this is the max and min function to calculate the maximum and minimum value from the given set of data. Thank you.